Hello, it is April 14th of 2022, Good Friday, and I guess there's going to be hopefully some good stuff going on today. I did a lot of work on this old D6 here, and it's finally to the time when I can get it started, and I've already had it started already. Took a lot of fiddling around, and hopefully this time around it'll be like smoother. I have a lot of trouble with my pony motor, the carburetor. In all my wisdom, when I had it all apart, like all the top end of this cat off, because I had the pony motor going last fall and it run really good, but the diesel was stuck, so I never got a chance to turn the diesel over. But when I got the diesel freed up here this spring, put it all back together, not even thinking that I should maybe get into that carburetor on that pony motor. You know, would have been the wiser thing to do, but I didn't do that. On top of it, I got two sitting in the shed over there that I worked on this winter. I totally rebuilt the darn things, went right through them all, may even painted them, for Christ's sake. But instead of putting one on, well, now I'm stuck with a wishy-washy running pony motor because the carburetor it kind of floods itself all the time, so it needs to be cleaned out. And but a good thing about it, after I run this thing here, get it up to heat once or twice there, and I'm gonna have to open up the top end of the diesel anyway, just to retorque the head bolts, and then I'm going to set all the valves. I never set the valves when I put it back in, knowing that I got to adjust the valves after I do another torque on the head bolts. So anyway, I guess it's not all lost cause. So we're going to get right after it here and try to start this thing up, make some smoke. We'll just go turn the gas on and see what happens. Open decompression and that in gear. Here we go. Top there, like it's actually burning pretty nice right now. When I first started it this morning, it never cleared up at all. It stayed smoking blue really harsh. Now I've got the occasional puff, but it is still puffing a little blue there, not bad. After I work her a little bit, I think she should clean right up. I had trouble with the throttle there, the pins are pretty worn out. We went over centered up there for air breather. I had to take them out and come back off over center. Then it started, and then I'm gonna have to adjust that Bendix, the dogs, because once the diesel gets started, it didn't kick out, so it's from the pony motor, so I'm gonna have to address that. Earlier I did have the cat who was able to move, it goes forward and back. I still have the one track off it, but I'm going to have to do a little work on that. blade there, or maybe I'll just go for a drive without the blade and see about steering clutches, that sort of a thing. I already tried out the winch. The winch seems to be locked up, it's not going in or out, just pulls the engine down, so it's, something's going on there, it's locked up inside, maybe a little rough, I don't know, we'll have to look into that, I guess. But anyway, there she is, there's the D6, has gone from a derelict hunk iron up in the mountains there in Spokane to something that's workable again, running. Actually sounds pretty good for the old D6 cat.